Drum dummy, dummy,
Never
dummy.
would have made it. I never could have made it without you. I would have lost it all. But now I see why you were there for me. Oh.
Ay, never would I have made it if God wasn't so amazing. Yeah, never been good at waiting this bag. Only thing I'm chasing. And these times you gotta keep it with you. Most nights is getting crazy. Cause I always been a real one. I ain't never made no statements. Never felt this good in a long time. So that I'm gonna embrace it. How could I have made it if I have God in my baby? How could I have made it if I ain't had work or had that patience? But I'm just glad that it worked. Cause when I work, they gotta pay me. Yeah, stay down. Now I'm trying to work hard till it's celebration. My head down, circle keep around. We got some elevation coming in. We just going out, cause we going places. All it took was a little hard work and some dedication. I was never planning to be the one, I took some medication. Took a little yoga class, might even some meditation. We just wanna play, we ain't gon' have another way to say it. I just wanna be the one to motivate to tell you now. We just going up on all the ones who tried to keep us down. Ain't no way to say we cut you off, we ain't gon' keep around. Just keep it to yourself, no matter what, you better not make a sound. I'm different from the rest, a diamond in the rough, I can't be found. Feeling like the best, they tryna tell me that it can't be now. I had to change it up a little bit, they try to take my style. Walk in my shoes, I guarantee that you can't walk them out. Cause I'ma be the one to put in work, they ain't no talking out. Never would I have made it if God wasn't so amazing. Yeah, never been good at waiting this bad. Only thing I'm chasing, all these times you gotta keep it with you. Most nights is getting crazy. Cause I always been a real one, I ain't never made no statement. Never felt this good in a long time, so that I'm gonna embrace it. How could I have made it if I had God in my baby? How could I have made it if I ain't had work or had that patience? But I'm just glad that it worked, cause when I work, they gotta pay me. Yeah, first off, late nights, sometimes I go to church. Up late nights, I be praying to God. Sometimes that it hurts, cause I got my family in the dirt. My mama still be going to work, but I just know what I deserve. Just know I always know my worth. The last time, try to play with my folks, and that's gonna be a flatline. Mama praying up to God, you know that's a bad sign. Put his ass to sleep, gotta go to nap time. Pray I see the good, cause I'm just thankful for the bad time. Never would I have made it if God wasn't so amazing. Yeah, never been good at waiting this bag, the only thing I'm chasing. And these times you gotta keep it with you, most nights is getting crazy. Cause I always been a real one, I ain't never made no statement. Never felt this good in a long time, so that I'm gonna embrace it. How could I have made it if I had God in my baby? Yeah. How could I have made it if I ain't had work or had that patience? But I'm just glad that it worked, cause when I work, they gotta pay me, oh yeah.